Kinky Styles 1980. I hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my daughter's hair. I'm going to do it in a non-traditional way because I feel like if I do it in a traditional way, I would never put this video up because it's just a lot more work with hair tutorials and things like that. That's why we haven't really done a hair update because it just takes a lot of time. So anyways, my daughter is, how old are you now?
I'm 9.
She's 9 now. If you guys watch my video, old school days, you would know that she was on a lot of my videos. So yeah, we're going to do an update. You guys have been asking forever about her hair. And yeah, so this is Madison. She's getting all big and I'm just so proud of her. She's just such a good girl. I love her so much.
I love you too, Mommy.
I love you too, Mama. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys her hair. I just washed it. It's all shrunken, but we'll see if it's long or not. Alright guys, so today is Saturday, so I'm doing my daughter's hair for the first day of school. So I'm not going to show everything, but I will show you guys some parts of what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to put her hair in 2-strand twists, so you definitely see the final product of that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start twisting her hair, and I just want to show you guys what I use to do her hair with. So right now we're using this towel. It's a microfiber towel. Yeah, and these are the products right here. I just have a comb for parting, some scissors for clipping single strand knots. I have my shea butter leave-in recipe, of course. I also have some olive oil and some castor oil as well. So yeah. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm halfway done with the back. And I'm going to do a close-up so that way you guys can see my pattern. So pretty much I braid about 1 inch down and then I twist the rest of the hair. I make sure I moisturize the hair with spraying it with some water. Then I put some olive oil on the hair, and then I smooth the hair out with my shea butter mix leave-in recipe, and then I will go ahead and braid, then twist down. So like I said, I'm halfway done with the back, and then I'll show you guys what the front looks like as well. All right guys, so this is the hair pattern. So as you can see, the hair is braided about 1 inch or so down, and then I start twisting the hair all the way to the tip of the hair, and I do this so that way the style will last for a good 2 weeks. If I just twist, it won't last as long. And the good thing about this, she could put her hair in a ponytail, she could put her hair in buns, she could style her hair herself. Alright guys, so I'm done with the back, as you guys can see. So I just want to show you guys my little tip and my little trick on what I do with the front. So this is the front. As you can see, what I do, I just braid it going down this way, and then I just twist the end. You never want to braid going backwards because that would just pull out the hairline, and you don't want to do that. So I either braid the hair going this way, or I will flat twist the hair going that way and twist the end, like I said. So that's what I do with the front, so that way I don't pull out her edges. So I'm done with my daughter's hair. So basically I'm just going to show you guys what I did to the front. So what I do is the temple right here, I always just twist it. I don't braid first. I just twist right here, so that way it doesn't apply any attention to the temple areas right here. So these two are just in twist, and everything else is braided down, then twisted. So you want to turn around?
Yep.
So that's her hair. So pretty. And it's so shiny. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some castor oil and just lightly put some around the edges and just put some around all of the hair, and that's it. So like I said, during the week she could put her hair in a bun, she could put it in a ponytail, she could put it in the top. She could basically style her own hair during the week. So this right here works perfectly for our schedule, and yeah, and also give her some independence because she could do.
Mommy, do you have any ponytail holders? Because I don't have any at Daddy's.
I'll give you some.
Okay.
So basically, yeah, so she could style her hair during the week when I'm not around. So like it, Mama?
Yes, thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. So that's it, guys. So want to do another turnaround?